Wait a minute, wait a minute. Right, okay, this is our bug. We just made.
And then you guys might put it on YouTube.
This is William eating an ice cream. This is the bug. Knex Bug. And this is the school holidays.
2010.
2010.
I said it, not you.
Okay. There, that's pretty good. Ooh, look at it go. We'll put it in reverse, will you? See it going in reverse? Okay. Right, forward again. Yeah, I'm just trying to get the working. People can see how it moves.
If I turn it off, then show them the bottom.
I'll just hold it up. That this works on a cam. Great fun. Everybody should have Knex. A word from William, the chocolate ice cream eater.
Get Knex! And that's when